Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing the August Boxycharm unboxing, so I'm zoomed in, we're up and ready to go, and jump right in because I actually got my box really late this month, which is funny because I always get you guys commenting on my Boxycharm videos, like, salty, saying that you, like, why do you get yours so fast, blah, blah, blah. Well, this month it came really late, at least compared to usual. So again, this is the August box, so we've got a couple coupons on the back of our thing. They did another pamphlet thing. And just so you guys know, I always link down below the link to get Boxycharm. Okay, I will say immediately, this month I'm not really loving the way this looks. Normally there's like a picture on each one, and you know what I mean? This one is a little bit harder to look at and identify what we're going for. So I'm going to address some tea first, because the first thing that I see is the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal Eyeshadow Palette. This retails for $19, which is almost basically the price of the box. But the reason there's a little bit of tea right now is because, like, right now in the beauty community, there's a lot of drama surrounding Laura Lee, and some remarks that were dredged up from the past. I'm not going to get into that right now, but my point is, I feel like there's probably going to be some backlash for this being in there, but obviously Boxycharm had no, they didn't know some scandal was going to happen or anything like that when they were creating this. But anyways, I don't know if this is like a collaboration with Boxycharm, because I never saw Laura Lee come out with this, unless maybe I'm just like out of the game here. You guys can see one of my shadows is actually broken, that dark blue shade, and then it looks like there's some of that light blue scattered around. So this is a really nice, colorful palette. Like, this is something that I will reach for if I'm doing like a colorful tutorial. Like, I'm actually happy to have this in my collection because I don't have a lot of like pop dramatic colors. I'm gonna swatch a couple of them on my finger, and they look really pigmented, so that's good. Let me swatch the green one. I've got a really, this stained my fingers. I've got a really minimal face of makeup on right now. I'm trying to think of what I want to do. There's an eyeliner in this box. I think I'm going to use that first and then decide what to do with the eyeshadows. So the next thing is the Bang Beauty Chocolate Eyeliner. Oh, it's going to be brown. I wanted it to be black. Use it as an eyeliner and eyeshadow base or to touch up your eyebrows. This is $22. And mine came, like, kind of opened already. Like, literally, it's open. And the lid was, like, loose. A little weird. It's got, like, a nice little package, though. And it looks like a decent amount of product in there. Looking at this, though, actually, like, it just looks like it would be a brow product. Like, this doesn't really look like an eyeliner. I'm kind of, like, not liking the vibe of this box because I want to be able to create a look using the box. What I wanted to do was, like, a big black liner. And then I was going to do, like, maybe a pop of color underneath. But this is a chocolate gel liner. Like, that's not what I was expecting. But I'm going to take the Sigma E10 small eyeliner brush. I have a discount code for Sigma now, you guys. It's Kelsey 10 for 10% off. So use that. I'm going to dip into this liner. I already don't really like it. It's very, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's really hard to dig into. Usually with a gel liner, it needs to be like really fluid, or it's you're not going to get a clean line. I'm going to breathe on it and warm it up. I'm going to draw a line on my hand. I definitely will not be able to get a smooth application with this because it's so, like, not necessarily chunky, but too thick. Like, you guys know, for a liquid, like for a gel liner, it needs to be smooth. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to use this because I don't want to just do something I know is going to look crappy. It's just so, like, I don't necessarily want to say dry, but, like, skittish. I don't know what the word is to describe this, but it's, like, not happening for, like, yeah, I'm sorry, you guys. I'm not going to use this. It's not happening because I know that it'll just ruin my makeup. There's no point. You guys can just trust. I'm not a fan of this product because I don't, like, maybe if I, like, microwaved it, but I don't really want to do that. I think it'd be definitely okay to use in your eyebrows because for your eyebrows, you like that kind of thicker consistency. And maybe even as an eyeshadow base, but not as an eyeliner because it's not fluid enough. I know it's a gel, it's not supposed to be a liquid, but it's not fluid enough to use as a liner. in my opinion. Okay, so I'm going to create a look using this palette now. I'm going to start by taking the CoverGirl New Liquid Liner, and I'm going to give myself like a pretty dramatic, well, I'm going to try. This is going to be my first time putting liner on with these lash extensions. I'm going to try. Okay, I think I did a halfway decent job of applying liner over the lash extensions. Now, I just have to pick one of these bright colors. I'm going to line my lower lash line. There is a really, really, really good quality mirror. Oh my gosh, I have like... Okay, I'm going to take the cobalt blue shade, which is called Karaoke, and I'm going to line my lower lash line. It looks pretty pigmented. I like it. I really do. I know that I'm only using it on the bottom, but I feel like from what I'm doing, I can tell that it's a good shadow to use on top of the lid as well. So my eyes are watering a little bit, but I really like this shadow. It's pretty. I know I'm not doing much with it, but I'm gonna take the pink shade, which is called Bottoms Up, and I feel like that reminds me of a nail polish by OPI or something that was called Bottoms Up, and I'm gonna put this in the inner corner. We're just doing, I don't know what we're doing. We're just being crazy. Wow, way more pigmented than I expected. You guys are gonna think I'm on crack right now, because what is this? I mean, you get the idea of what I was going for, right? At this point, I'm just blending it out, and we're gonna pretend that this is like Vogue. You know how you see those like messy eye looks, and it's like Vogue professional messy makeup? That's what we're going for here. You guys are gonna think that I'm on crack. That's okay. I feel like I wanted to try something out. It doesn't look good, but that's okay. Okay. The next thing that we got is a pair of lashes from House of Lashes. These range from $9 to $12, so I don't know how much this pair is. This is in the shade of Boudoir, and these look like really pretty fluffy lashes, and I've heard good things about House of Lashes lashes. However, I do have lash extensions, so I'm not going to be able to try these on for you guys today, but they do look like they have a thick band, and I hate lashes with thick bands. Even the best ones I have tried are still really difficult to, like, navigate. So, there's that. I guess we'll get these out of the way because we can't try them right now. These are the Wander Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks that are $13. I don't know if it's $13 each or $13 for the trio, but we did get 3. I know that we've gotten things like this before in Boxycharm, and I do appreciate it. Even though I never use them, it's my own fault. I should use them, and I eventually will once my life is less crappy and I take care of myself. I'll use stuff like this. Another kind of self-care item is the Ebates Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. This is $18. I'm kind of glad that we got this because we got one of these before and I read how it said nail treatment essentials and I was like, oh, it's a nail treatment, but it wasn't. It was a top coat. And so I was like, oh, am I going to be disappointed again? This is the cuticle oil, which is great. And what I would like to see next would be like a nail strengthening thing. Like that'd be nice. So I am happy about this. Okay, the last makeup product that we have to try is the Smashbox. It says assorted lip products, $21 to $24. So the one that I got was the Always On liquid lipstick in the shade Slay Tan. And it looks like a chocolate brown, so I'm excited for that. So basically the retail value of our... Sorry if I keep like looking down and you're just not seeing my face. About $100 this box goes for, and we only pay $20 for it. So here's the Smashbox. Here is the Smashbox like a lipstick. It looks like a really chocolatey warm brown. It's got like kind of like a nice teeny tiny bopper little applicator. This just does not go with like whatever eye look we've got going on here, but that is okay. Might as well test it out. Okay, it's definitely a poop brown. Like it's 100% poop brown. That's okay. The first thing that I notice is it's extremely pigmented. And I love the applicator. That was an absolutely horrible application, and it's all over my teeth. I'm going to take it off in a minute because it really, really doesn't go with this look. But it's a very moussey liquid lipstick. Like, it's very moussey, so keep that in mind because some people don't like moussey liquid lipsticks. I do. I feel like they're cushiony, it's moisturizing, it's not hurting my lips at all. My lips are extremely dry right now, and this is not hurting them. and it dried down to be matte extremely quick. It completely covers up your dry lines. If you have dry lips, I'd recommend a lipstick like this. It's nice. I really, really like it. It dried down so quick. And I do like the color. It's a poop brown, but I like it. It's unique, and I actually probably will wear it. But not with this look. All right, I think it looks kind of cool with the blue lip. I know that the pink is getting a little out of control, but anyways, that is it for this Boxycharm. I'm not a huge fan of this box. Normally, I kind of like a box that I can either create a look with or a box that gives me a lot of practical items that I can use, and I feel like this box was a little bit, like, out of control. I don't know how I feel about it. Like, I am happy to have this palette because I really did need something with bright colors in my collection. Like, I need that. I'm not a fan of the eyeliner at all, though, and then the lashes I can't wear because I have lash extensions, so it's just kind of a dud box for me personally, but maybe it'll be perfect for you guys. I don't know. I do love Boxycharm, though, and I love to get this stuff in the mail. This lipstick I really like. I'll probably be wearing it a lot in the fall. It's a really nice poop brown, and I mean that, though. Like, I like it. And that kind of brown looks good on, like, all skin tones, but yeah, I mean, I'm a little, like, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about this box. I'm interested to see what the variation looks like between what I got and what other people got. I haven't watched anyone's video yet. I know a lot of people got theirs already before me, but I still haven't watched them yet, so I'll be interested to see what the variations are. But anyways, as always, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you are going to check out Boxycharm, use my link because I'll get a little something. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys down below. Bye.